All right. Beautiful day as we are getting ready for spring break. I just want to give you guys a couple more special problems that I need you to know how to do. Okay. So we are working on area, and we're going to look at this parallelogram. All right. And it tells us on this slide here, you'll see it says for the parallelogram, that's the symbol for parallelogram, ABCD. The question is, what is DE to the nearest tenth? Okay, so if you look at the parallelogram, we have some measurements going here. I know there's lots of lines. All right, we see we have one side 9.4. We have the other side is 13 inches. So we have both sets because we know opposite sides are congruent. And then we have this one measurement here, which you could call a height. This is 9 inches. And remember, we have to have the height parallel to the base. All right, so now we're going to first find the area of the parallelogram, ABCD, okay? And then we're going to use the area formula again to find DE, because that's our question. What is this height here? All right, so how are we going to do that, you say? All right, so first, you might turn it sideways so that we can clearly see we have a base here, 13 inches, with the height of 9. So we can find the area of the parallelogram, all right, just base times height. 13 times 9 gives us the area of 117 inches squared. So then we're going to use the formula again with the area that we know, plug in the base the other direction so that we can find that perpendicular height, which is the segment or the distance DE. All right, so now we're just going to divide both sides, 117 divided by 9.4, and we actually get that height, 12.4, which is DE. Okay, all right, let's look at another one. Again, find the missing dimension H, okay? So now I'm looking for this dimension here. So I'm going to find the area first using the dimensions that I know. Well, because this side is 14, I know that this side is 14 on the bottom, and I have the perpendicular height 8, so I can find the area, okay? 14 times 8, I get the area is 112. And then, because this side is 10, I know the left side is 10, I can use that with my unknown perpendicular height. So we're going to say area is base times height, use the area that we know, 112, set that equal to 10 times the height. I don't know who's texting me, but that's okay. I will look at that. Gives me the height that I'm looking for, 112. The height is 11.2. Okay? We don't have units on that, so that's going to be fine. All right, now, I just want to share with you how excited I am for Easter coming, and that is one of my favorite candies, I guess you could call it, Peeps. I love marshmallow stuff, and Peeps are the best. And you know, they have so many different flavors these days. I've tried a couple of them, but I just like the originals. So I hope you will tell me, maybe in the chat, tell me what's your favorite, when you come in, tell me what's your favorite Easter candy. Do you like those jelly beans? That's my husband's. I think that's his favorite. But I love those Peeps. I haven't bought any yet, and I don't know if I will, but I've been thinking about them. All right, so there's one more special kind of problem that I want to show you today. And that is kind of what we call a combination shape. So in this case, we're going to find the area of the shaded region. So we're going to not include the unshaded region. So I like to think of this picture as kind of like your backyard. So let's pretend this is the grass. We're going to find the area of the grassy space because we don't want to put grass where we have a swimming pool, right? So we got to find the area of the grass. So see, there are some practical applications of some of this stuff, okay? So here we have a backyard. We're going to find the area of grass that we need. So first, we're going to find the whole area, 16 times 32, because it's just base times height. And we get the whole area is 512. But then we'll subtract the swimming pool area. Make sense? 12 times 5. So we're going to subtract 60 from the whole area, and the actual grass that we need is 452 centimeters squared. So that's not a very big backyard, is it? That might be Barbie's backyard. All right, you guys, I just want to make this quick. It's time to take your quiz. Go ahead and, I don't know, shoot me a comment or a message. What's your favorite candy? Spring break is almost here. All right, I appreciate you guys. Touch base with me. Go ahead and take the quiz and just give me a comment. Thank you for letting me be in this beautiful area while we're doing this video. I do want to hear from you on the quiz about what's working for you as far as geometry class. What could we do differently? Some ideas. Is there something in your other classes that, you know, we could incorporate? Because we're going to be here for a while, as you know. All right. So anyway, happy Easter. Be in touch, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.